Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here with another off-grid nomad RVing type video here. So what we're doing today is I'm testing my 2025, and this is before the Switch 2 comes out, kind of mobile nomad RV type setup. So what I have here is a Bluetti power supply, and it really kind of doesn't matter which one you have. This is a little bit older, AC50 here. I have a Nintendo Switch. This is a launch edition, but it really doesn't matter. Even when the Switch 2 comes out, I'll do a test to make sure what kind of watts it's pulling. I have a 23.5-inch LCD monitor by LG, and you see the little speaker thing here? This is a USB speaker that kind of can mount to a monitor, or I just usually leave it on the desktop, but you can clip it onto the top of a monitor, and I'll show you a picture of that real quick. But yeah. So it looks like we're going from about 24 and we're kind of maxing out at 27. It's really hard to actually drive in Mario Kart here when I'm actually trying to film at the same time. But here's a kind of look at the setup here. We have both the monitor and the Switch plugged in to the power system. And we have the speaker itself plugged into the USB of the Switch. So that's what we're getting, about 25-ish. Let's just say 26. We're averaging about 26 here. And we have the audio, which is coming out of the speaker. You could use headphones if you want. Or if you have a TV in your RV or in your van or your van life situation, you wouldn't actually need the speaker itself. Maybe if you had one of those DC RV TVs, it'd probably be a little bit less cluttered. All you'd really need is to plug in the TV and the Switch itself to your power station. So I'll go ahead and put some links in the description to everything you see in the video, but I'll probably link up to more modern versions since that power station itself is several years old now. But for me, it's my favorite because it's small, it charges fast via solar, or plug it into the wall or your cigarette lighter in your car. Alrighty, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time. Peace and aloha.